Hi folks, we've been busy researching digital pianos for beginners to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump straight to the digital piano that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what digital piano you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best digital pianos for beginners. The 5th product on our list is the Korg B2. The Korg B2 is a specifically designed beginner's digital piano. It comes with a no-fuss design. Weighing 25.1 pounds or 11.4 kilograms, the B2 comes at a pretty standard weight for entry-level digital pianos. The body isn't bulky, making it easy to store when not in use or in transit. You'll notice its large speaker grille on its upper front panel. The controls are located just under the speaker grille. Beginners will have no trouble navigating them as they're very basic and only require button combos occasionally. The primary control is the volume knob, which allows for precise adjustment. The keyboard features 88 keys that use Korg's natural weighted hammer action to give them a more genuine feel. The key bed is velocity sensitive, meaning pressing the keys harder will produce a louder sound. You can adjust the velocity response in the front panel as it has 3 settings: light, normal and heavy. The Korg B2's keys are also graded, so you'll notice that the keys in the lower register are heavier than those in the higher register. Musicians will love that this digital piano comes with 12 preset voices, including harpsichord, pipe organ, grand piano and stage electric piano. Korg also gives the B2 a multi-sampling feature that can simultaneously trigger up to 3 samples. This is a fun addition that budding musicians will love. Here's something you should know before buying the Korg B2. The headphone jack is on the back. Some players prefer the jack to be on the front. If you're looking for a basic piano with standard features to practice but still allows for some creativity, the Korg B2 is the way to go. The 4th product on our list is the Alesis Recital 61. The Alesis Recital 61 is a beginner's digital piano with an entry-level price tag. The 61 keys are semi-weighted, and that's hard to find in a keyboard at this price point. Newbies will love that the controls are simple yet practical. The buttons have backlighting, making navigating under harsh lighting conditions easier. The backlighting also allows you to keep track of which parameters are active. Changing a more complex setting requires using a combination of buttons, which are easy to figure out with the included user manual. The semi-weighted keys have an adjustable touch response to suit your playing style. Of course, there's a pair of onboard speakers allowing you to start playing right out of the box. You also have enough connectivity options. There's a 1/4-inch sustain pedal input, a headphone output and stereo RCA outputs if you want to use external speakers. The Alesis Recital 61 has 2 power options. The first is the included power adapter and the other is using 6 D-cell batteries for when you're playing outside. This digital piano comes with 10 voices, including acoustic and electric pianos. Here's something you should know before buying the Alesis Recital 61. Some users find the build to be lackluster. If you're looking for an affordable digital piano to practice on, the Alesis Recital 61 is a great choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Casio CDP-S150. The Casio CDP-S150 is a fantastic digital piano at a very good price. This Casio keyboard has a slim body that makes it easy to store and transport. It weighs 23 pounds or 10 kilograms. Travelling musicians will love that it can be powered 2 ways, through its included power supply or AA batteries. The CDP-S150 boasts scaled action hammer keys, which means the keys get lighter from the lower registers going up. The weight variation gives this digital piano a more authentic feel and makes it easier for beginners to understand the concept of velocity when playing a traditional piano. The 88 keys have simulated ivory and ebony surfaces, preventing slippage. Casio also adds a duet mode, perfect for lessons or duet performances. This Casio piano has a pair of 8-watt onboard speakers that are an excellent fit for home use. Sound quality is fantastic as the Casio CDP-S150 boasts 10 built-in voices, including various acoustic pianos, electric pianos, strings, harpsichord and a jazz organ. This digital piano has a maximum polyphonic capacity of 64, which is just right for beginners. There's also layer mode, which lets you layer 2 voices and produce a new sound. You also get access to fun effects like reverb and chorus. Finally, the Casio CDP-S150 works with the Cordana Play app, which gives beginners a view of their musical scores and MIDI notes. You can even play along to other tunes using it. Here's something you should know before buying the Casio CDP-S150. The speakers are on the back panel, a sacrifice made to keep the piano's body slim. If you're looking for a digital piano for beginners under $500, it's hard to find another that beats the Casio CDP-S150. The second product on our list is the Yamaha P125. The Yamaha P125 is a premium digital piano for beginners. It features 88 weighted keys that mimic the feel of a traditional piano. This allows beginners to get familiar with velocity and volume control. The P125 has a compact and lightweight build that's great for home and studio use. If you're using the piano on top of a table, you'll love that it comes with table EQ, which optimises the sound on a flat surface. The controls are straightforward and are located on the front panel for easy access. There are 14 buttons in total, some of them having LED indicators to make keeping track of active parameters easier. There are 6 dedicated buttons for the sound section, including piano and strings. There's also one for the metronome and recording. You can adjust the volume accurately using the slider. If you're having difficulty navigating buttons, Yamaha's Smart Pianist app has you covered. The P125 uses Yamaha's well-loved graded hammer system on the weighted keys. Of course, the keyboard is touch sensitive, so the volume or timbre of the sound is dependent on the force you exert. Yamaha also includes a powerful 4-speaker system, allowing you to make the most of playing from the softest melodies to booming compositions. Here's something you should know before buying the Yamaha P125. It doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity on board. If you're looking for a professional quality digital piano that's easy to navigate for beginners, the Yamaha P125 won't disappoint. The first product on our list is the Roland FP-10. The Roland FP-10 is an excellent digital piano for beginners. It's compact and has a sleek and modern design, perfect for musicians with space constraints. It has 88 weighted keys with a PHA-4 standard key action with an escapement mechanism. This provides that clicking quality felt in traditional keyboards when you press down. The progressive hammer action also means that lower register keys are heavier than those on the higher register. The keys have a plastic construction with moisture-absorbing ivory touch. This provides a better grip and prevents those irritating fingerprint markings. You'll love that the keys are responsive and the sound is produced accurately. Of course, the FP-10 allows you to adjust touch sensitivity. There are a few presets: super heavy, heavy, medium, super light and fixed. Using the fixed setting will turn off the touch sensitivity so your sound stays the same no matter how lightly or hard you press. The sound is where the Roland FP-10 shines. It uses the Supernatural sound engine and provides 15 onboard sounds, including grand pianos, strings and a synth pad. Roland gives you a pair of built-in speakers that sound just right for home practice or playing for a small audience. It also has Bluetooth compatibility, a feature that modern musicians will love. Here's something you should know before buying the Roland FP-10. All the ports are located on the back panel of the piano, which some users may find inconvenient. The Roland FP-10 is a beginner's digital piano that will grow with you. It's easy to navigate and has extra features for adventurous musicians. And there you have it, folks, the 5 digital pianos for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on the best keyboard amps for 2021 on the left, or this one on the best digital pianos on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.